Hi kids, welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about natural disasters. In this lesson, we will learn and understand the different types of natural disasters. Are you ready? The Philippines is located in the so-called Pacific Ring of Fire. It is consequently hit by various natural disasters regularly. So, it is important to learn about the types of natural disasters. What is natural disaster? A natural disaster is a natural event that causes great damage or loss of life. What are the natural disasters? These are some of the natural disasters: typhoon, storm surge, flood, landslide, volcanic eruption, earthquake, tsunami. Typhoon. A typhoon is a storm characterized by strong winds with rain and thunderstorms. It is also called hurricane and tropical cyclone in some parts of the world. Typhoon is the most common of all natural disasters. The name of this natural phenomenon varies depending on its origin. If the origin is northwestern Pacific Ocean, the term used is typhoon. If it is from North Atlantic Ocean, the term is hurricane. And if it is origin from South Pacific Ocean or Indian Ocean, it is called tropical cyclone. A typhoon can be divided into regions based on its cloud structure. This is the eye wall, and the spiral rain clouds. The eye is the area where the air pressure is lowest and its size ranges from 10 to 150 kilometers in diameter. The eyes or center of the typhoon is calm, whereas the areas that surround it experience strong wind and storms. Storm surge. A storm surge refers to huge, high waves that form due to a strong wind buildup caused by a strong typhoon. If these huge waves reach land, they can cause extreme flooding, which can damage properties and injure or kill people. Flood. A flood is an overflow of water that covers an area that is usually dry. It occurs when strong rain pours continuously for an extended period of time, or when water from nearby bodies of water overflow due to heavy rains and reaches low-lying areas. Landslide. A landslide or landslip is the movement of rocks, earth, or debris down a slope as a result of weakened materials and force of gravity. Volcanic eruption. A volcanic eruption is the sudden occurrence of a violent discharge of steam and volcanic material from a volcano. This occurs when magma or molten rocks below Earth's surface pushes itself out, causing lava, the very hot flowing magma that reaches Earth's surface, and ashes to be discharged out of a volcanic vent. This causes mud flow or debris flow called lahar to flow down from the volcano. Lahar is an Indonesian term that means flowing lava. Earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden and violent shaking of the ground. It happens when rocks underneath Earth's surface suddenly fail and break along the fault line. During earthquake, stay calm and alert. Watch out for falling objects, glass windows, shelves, cabinets, and other heavy objects that may cause injury. If you are indoors, do the response of drop, cover, and hold on. Tsunami. A tsunami is a series of giant seismic sea waves caused by an earthquake under the sea, a volcanic eruption near a body of water, a nuclear test, or other similar disturbances in the sea. A tsunami is derived from the Japanese words tsu, meaning harbor, and nami, meaning wave. A tsunami can cause great destruction as it can kill people and destroy buildings and other properties. When a natural disaster strikes, the situation can be considered an emergency. Emergency means if there is an immediate threat to people, property, or the environment. Besides natural disasters, they can also happen due to human action or activities. Examples, a firecracker injury accident or a vehicular accident. The Red Cross is a humanitarian organization in the country which is committed to provide quality services that protect the lives and dignity of people in vulnerable situations. According to the Red Cross, these simple steps will prepare people for emergencies. Prepare first aid and survival kits. First aid kit is a case or a bag which contains basic medical supplies or materials that are used for giving emergency treatment to a sick or injured person. Survival kit is a compact package of food and medical supplies, emergency equipment, and tools that are prepared in advance as an aid for survival during an emergency. Create an emergency plan and stick to it. An emergency plan is a plan created to lessen the possible damage that an emergency can cause, especially people. The plan includes the type of emergency, its consequences, the required actions and procedures, the safety measures, and the resources needed. And learn important information on how to keep safe and stay alert. Learn the emergencies or disasters that would most likely happen in your home and community. Know the local hotline numbers of disaster agency authorities like the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council or the NDRRMC and the local fire department. Once again, these are some of the natural disasters: typhoon, storm surge, flood, landslide, volcanic eruption, earthquake, and tsunami. Choose the correct answer that tells about natural disasters. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. What is a natural disaster? A. A planned disaster. B. A fun event in nature. C. A man-made event that causes damage. D. A natural event that causes great damage and destruction. It's letter D, a natural event that causes great damage and destruction. Which natural disaster is caused by heavy rainfall and overflowing of water? A. Earthquake. B. Flood. C. Landslide. D. Tsunami. It's letter B. Flood. What do you call a sudden shaking of the ground caused by movements in the Earth's surface? A. Earthquake. B. Landslide. C. Typhoon. D. Volcanic eruption. It's a earthquake. What should you do during an earthquake if you are indoors? A. Run outside immediately. B. Stay near windows. C. Drop, cover, and hold on. D. Stand under a heavy object. It's C. Drop, cover, and hold on. What natural disaster is caused by a volcano releasing lava, ash, and gases? A. Earthquake. B. Landslide. C. Typhoon. D. Volcanic eruption. It's letter D. Volcanic eruption. What is a tsunami? A drought. B. A sudden landslide or landslip. C. A storm with strong winds. D. A giant wave caused by an earthquake under the sea. It's D. A giant wave caused by an earthquake under the sea. What should you do when a typhoon warning is announced? A. Stay outdoors. B. Go swimming. C. Open all windows and doors. D. Prepare emergency supplies and stay indoors. It's letter D. Prepare emergency supplies and stay indoors. What should you include in an emergency kit for natural disasters? A. Expired canned goods. B. Toys and video games. C. Makeup and accessories. D. Food, water, flashlight, and medicines. It's letter D. Food, water, flashlight, and medicine. What is a landslide? A. A type of wildfire. B. A large ocean wave. C. The shaking of the ground. D. The movement of rock and soil down a slope. The answer is D. The movement of rock and soil down a slope. What should you do when there is a flood? A. Stay in low areas. B. Move to higher grounds. C. Play in the flood waters. D. Walk through deep water. It's letter B. Move to higher grounds. What type of storm has strong winds and forms over warm ocean waters? A. Blizzard. B. Earthquake. C. Typhoon or hurricane. D. Tornado. It's C, typhoon or hurricane. What is a storm surge? A. A huge high waves that form due to a strong wind build-up caused by a strong typhoon. B. An overflow of water that covers an area that is usually dry ground. C. A storm characterized by strong winds with rain and thunderstorms. D. A sudden and violent shaking of the ground. It's letter A, a huge high waves that form due to a strong wind buildup caused by a strong typhoon. Which of this is a good safety measure during a volcanic eruption? A. Ignore evacuation warnings. B. Wear a mask to avoid inhaling ash. C. Go outside and watch the eruption. D. Drink water from rivers near the volcano. It's B. Wear a mask to avoid inhaling ash. Why should you prepare for natural disasters? A. To increase panic. B. To test our bravery. C. To ignore safety rules. D. To keep ourselves and others safe. It's D. To keep ourselves and others safe. What is emergency? A. If there is an immediate threat to people, property, or the environment. B. A plan created to lessen the possible damage that an emergency can cause. C. A case or bag which contain medical supplies. D. A humanitarian organization that provides quality services to the people. The answer is A. If there is an immediate threat to people, property, or the environment. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it is not. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. For numbers 1 to 3. Let's check your answers. 1. The Red Cross is a humanitarian organization which is committed to provide quality services that protect the life and dignity of people in vulnerable situations. True. 2. A first aid kit is a case or bag which contains compact package of food, emergency equipment, tools prepared for survival during an emergency. False. This is a survival kit. 3. Everyone in the family should practice the important things one needs to do in case a particular disaster occurs. It's true. For numbers 4 to 7. Let's check your answers. 4. It is important to know the local hotline numbers of disaster agency authorities and the local fire department. True. 5. Earthquakes can lead to collapsing of tall buildings and structures. True. 6. A typhoon is characterized by the presence of strong winds with heavy rainfalls. True. 7. Storm surges are usually caused by typhoons. True. For numbers 8 to 11. And these are the correct answers. 8. Tsunamis are caused by a big storm. False. Tsunamis are caused by an earthquake under the sea. 9. Lahar is an Indonesian term that means flowing lava. True. 10. You should duck, cover, and hold before an earthquake. False. It should be done during an earthquake. 11. It is always important to stay calm on any types of natural disaster. True. And for numbers 12 to 15. Let's check your answers. 12. It is better to stay inside your home during a typhoon. True. 13. You need to stay in a moving car during an earthquake. False. 14. A tsunami is usually caused by a volcanic eruption or an earthquake under the ocean. True. 15. News reports must be monitored during a typhoon. True. Identify the type of each disaster. Write ND if it is a natural disaster or MD if it is a man-made disaster. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Let's check your answers. 1. Fire, MD. 2. Volcanic eruption, MD. 3. Explosion due to terrorism, MD. 4. Storm surge, MD. 5. Tsunami, MD. 6. Vehicular accident, MD. 7. Typhoon, MD. 8. Flood, MD. 9. Firecracker accident, MD. And number 10, earthquake, MD.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.